Put them in the boat. What's up, guys? We're goose hunting today.
Not going anywhere. Ready? Shoot.
Sure. Oh, we are gonna do a little goose hunting. I'm out here with my father right now, and a buddy of his is meeting us out here. So we got this spread halfway set up. Gonna add a couple decoys to it. We're gonna set this A-frame up, and we're gonna get after it. Stay tuned. I gotta get busy.
Into that quiet either. It's supposed to be making noise. When they're making noise, come on. When they're quiet, we're in stealth mode. Stealth mode. These might. They're looking.
Yeah.
I like that there's a little wind.
Yeah.
Because if they're going to come in, they're going to square up. High flyers. See what they do. High flyers. Way too high. Damn it. See, they don't like something.
Something scared them big time.
Scared those away.
Big time.
There's some more out in front of us.
Holy shit, they're everywhere.
We may have to.
Yeah, they didn't like something.
Nice sucker.
These are a little bit lower than the rest of them. These are a lot lower right here. Yeah. Well, not a lot. But.
No, we gotta hope some just come into the hole. That's why we're hoping the numbers come. But if another group flares off, we're flying. Or that. Or that. Maybe I just turned it in. See, they're seeing something. They're flaring. There's some sport right at us. They're low.
Yeah.
Come on. These might rip.
Small enough group.
And they're low. Watch out here. We're not making the blind. We gotta think about what we're gonna do here. Here comes a fucking another 10-pack. Jesus. This could be ideal if we're.
This is insane. Yeah, there's so many birds right now. Well, but what do? We got to adjust. If this is just gonna keep happening all night, we're wasting our time.
Yep, let's go to the. Look up the birds.
Did that?
Stay down. Watch this. Watch that bottom one. I need one. He's gonna come in the road.
Yeah, he's coming in.
The biggest one anyway.
Here they come. Mike, right here. Right in.
You get ready.
Yep, they're coming in.
Go ahead and shoot him. He's out there already.
That's a long shot.
This way. That's shoot him.
Get him. The little one. There he is. More from the left.
I love it. Let him land.
Flocking the left hard. This big group up front.
We land all of it. Bet you we do. They might be out of range. They're like, oh, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Is that beautiful or what? Let them land. You're gonna land. Pull up when you want to. Okay, pull up when you want to.
Get up. Let's go. That's 3 down.
4 total now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just fun. Really,
This group.
You guys can take this is the smart plan B. I got plan A and plan B in this setup.
Here we got 3 to the left.
Oh, man.
Low. Oh God.
Hey, we can only shoot 2 more for this shoot. Just wait.
Back, left, all sides. We're surrounded.
Let's let it happen. Let's let it happen. This is gonna be crazy. Let's let it happen. As long as we get some down low, the rest will come
There's
down.
more coming from behind.
Yeah, this field here. Let them all come in. We'll let it get really through. We'll let it get really through. There's a big lag. Let them all. Let them all. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. I'm not trying to go.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God.
We're gonna wait till they all land.
Let him come in.
Watch these 2. There's another one on the ground here, so wait. If these come really close, I can shoot them. Just wait.
They're gonna blow it.
Shoot them, shoot.
Here we go.
That shit can shoot more than this.
That shit was fucking sweet. Yeah.
They're all coming from grade or colder. They're nervous because they're hearing the other ones squawking.
Look at that group out front right though.
Yeah, they might land short.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go.
See that wave right in? They're like, oh, Mike, and the second on the right is big.
He's huge.
If you're gonna shoot, make sure you shoot. Watch your shoot out moment.
Right out front.
You sure we have 5 there?
Yeah, we got 1 by me and 4 in the field.
Is that live one you counted over there?
There's 2 live ones.
They're a little nervous. You're gonna land a little
Hit him. That one group is real low out in
Watch
front.
your 2 in front of me.
There's 2 ducks.
If you need some birds to get out of here and some fresh ones to come in. Okay, where'd that one go? Did he fall down or did he walk away?
I see his head. He's sitting down.
He's still alive, man.
Yeah, very.
Those 4 that came in from before that we're coming right there. Oh boy. Shoot him, Mike. Shoot him, Mike. Shoot him, Mike. Shoot him, Mike. Shoot him, Mike.
Ooh.
I don't know, I gave it a couple chances. I'm out.
What's up, guys? A lot of fun. Lots of fun. Got our limit. 6 of them. We're all cleaning up some wounded ones. I'm not sure if you can see them, but we got 2 that sailed quite a ways and got to walking. Awesome night. Awesome. Just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. You guys saw it. It was a beautiful night. It's awesome. So stay tuned for more awesome videos. Put them in the boat. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, comment, do all that. Let's talk. Let's be friends. You guys want to hunt? You guys want to fish? Let's do it. Let's put them in the boat.
this off for a second. Mike, you can get in there. We'll take a picture. No, don't worry about it.
Marcus!